Good morning, students. Today I am again with you with the lesson The Fight of It So Happened. Ranji had come to Rajpur only recently. He had not yet made any friends there. There were hills and forests on all sides of Rajpur. He roamed in these places alone. It was very hot. One day he discovered a pool in the forest. The water in the pool was clear. It came there from a cluster of rocks. In the monsoon, the water came in large quantities. During the summer, the flow was weak. My dear students, Ranji got into the water. He knew swimming. He had so far known only the muddy pools of Rajputana deserts. The pool was much better. His body was free of fat. It shone in the sunlit water. My dear student, the next day Ranji came again. He enjoyed a lot in the coolness of the water. After an hour, he lay to relax on the smooth rocks. It was then that noticed a boy staring at him in a hostile manner. He was little older than Ranji and had a well-built body. He stood on the edge of the pool. He seemed waiting for Ranji to explain his presence there. The boy asked Ranji why he was there. Ranji wanted to be friendly, so he ignored other boys' hostility. He asked him to join him in the enjoyment. The other boy did not like it. He came closer to Ranji, who was now sitting on the rock. He said that he was a Punjabi and did not like to talk to villagers. Ranji said that he was a Rajput, not a villager. The Punjabi tried his best to scare away Ranji. When Ranji did not run away, he warned that he would beat him. Now Ranji claimed of him as being a Rajput. The other boy claimed of being a Punjabi. The Punjabi boy made a strange hissing sound. They stared each other in the eye of for a minute. Then the Punjabi boy slapped Ranji across the face with all his strength. Ranji felt dizzy. Thick red finger marks were there on his face.